Hi everyone, this is Arpit and welcome to StockWest. Before directly, going to see the stocks that we have shortlisted for the next week, first we'll see how the major market indices are performing. Obviously, they've been in a downtrend for a long time now, but still, I think there is some kind of a momentum change in Nifty. So let's straight away jump onto the setup where we'll see what kind of difference do we see in this particular week, which is something new to me. If you look at the Nifty, I think it is trying to create a base around 23,000 levels. Although the market is still in a downtrend, but there could be a momentum change anytime now. The sellings from the FIIs are being taken away now. The kind of buying that has made by the DIs have also created some kind of an impact on the confidence. But still, the bank Nifty is a bit different to what Nifty looks like. The kind of support that it had of multiple lines, which has been broken now. After that, there was a kind of a rebound which it tried to meet, but again it failed, and it failed with a very good down move the last trading session. So I think there is a mixed kind of sentiments which are being seen. There are banking stocks which are falling, but still, some of these PSU banks are trying really hard to catch up this falling market. But again, this still does not give me the confidence where I can put in some more money as an investment. Although there have been some kind of a trading opportunities which I see clearly from here. If not going to make a new high, at least there could be some kind of a bounce in some of these stocks. So I think we can consider going long in them. But still, if you talk about a complete change in the momentum or shift in the momentum, that is something which I really am not sure about. Now we'll see the list of stocks that we have shortlisted for the coming week, which is obviously a bit larger than the last week. We have almost 10-15 stocks which I am actually looking considering going long into. At least 3 to 4 stocks I might see where I can find an opportunity to of going long. If you see the Asian Paints, I think it has fallen too much from its top, the recent top that it made, and this could act as a good support now. The particular level where the stock is right now, it has squeezed some kind of liquidity below its support as well. So I think I am a bit confident about this. I also have a position into this particular stock. After that, we have SBI Card. SBI Card has failed multiple times when it tried to go above this particular trend line which is acting as a resistance, but again it is, after creating a good base, is trying to go up above this level. So this also could be a good potential opportunity to go long into this. Not talking about from an F&O perspective, since the stop loss is very high in this now. At least make some kind of a position from equity perspective now, so that you can consider trading into that this particular stock based on your RR considerations. After that, we have Borosil Renewable Energies. I think Borosil Renewable Energy has been giving a good run for past few years now. At least for post COVID, it tried to give a very good return, but still after a good consolidation, giving some channel breakouts on a regular basis. So this again seemed to be a good opportunity to go along to this. The stock is fundamentally very good, so it has a good potential to give another run from here. Then we have Adani Ports. I think Adani Port is better than any other stock from the Adani group now, because most of the Adani stocks that we have seen have fallen to, I mean, way too much. But Adani Port is showing some kind of resilience in terms of the fall that we have seen in terms of percentage and all. But again, I mean, there has been some good news for Adani, that regarding the Hindenburg and all, which you must have been knowing. So I think the stock has now a very good position. It's into a very good territory as well, where it can give a good move from. Then we have AIA Engineering. This particular stock is also in a downtrend, but I think for now almost 8 or 10 sessions. I'm talking about the weekly ones here. 8 to 10 weekly session, it has been creating a base around this particular level of 34,000 3400. uh, the stop loss is also not much. Consider taking a position into this also can make sense, considering the risk to reward ratio. Then we have BBTC, Bombay Burma. In this particular support line, which was acting as a resistance earlier, was broken with a good volume, with a good liquidity squeeze below 1400 levels back then in June 2024. I think it is again retesting that particular resistance, which might act as a good support. The kind of breathing that the stock had to take is good enough now, considering it falling from 2900 levels to 1900 levels. So I think going long in this one will also make sense. The next one that we have is Bikaji, fundamentally a very good stock. I think this is one of these stocks which can become multifold from here. I think it can give them good results in future. So I think considering going taking a considering as a good opportunity would make sense from an investment point of view. So I think you should definitely consider investing some amount in Bikaji. Next we have Sarah. The stop loss is low. The stock is in a downtrend, but still, it has taken some kind of a liquidity before a support level. I think this stock has a good potential to give good returns from here. You can consider going long in this as well. After that, we have City Union Bank. Post COVID, the channel is really big. I understand. I mean, the trend lines and all, but still, the kind of breakouts that I tried to give, and after that again it failed. From that particular moment, gave a good breakout one more time. All these things, give you a good confidence to consider going long in such stocks. And when the time period has become a little more than what you see in the other banks, I think there are good opportunities in those particular stocks which are there, and they are very less. So I think CUB, taking a position in CUB would make sense. Then we have GSFC. Again, some kind of liquidity has been taken below the support line, and after that, a good up move, sharp up move. The stock had given a very good run on the last trading session also. So let's just give it some time to cool down, I think, and then you can consider taking a long entry into this. Then we have MFSL. Just go to the daily chart here. This is a kind of stock which gives me a good confidence to go long in, because there has been a complete and a good sweep out of a lot of position maker into this. The stock has a very good potential to go up. The kind of support that was broken is being tested now. I mean, it is still trading below that particular support, but let's just see the kind of price action does it form around these levels, and then you can consider going long into this. Next we have NMDC. I think NMDC has fallen quite a lot. The stock has a good potential to go up from here. That support that being tested now is a good support. So I think NMDC is also a good opportunity to consider an investment into. This is my favorite, and I am having good position size in this also. The multi-year breakout, which is almost 17 years of a channel which was broken in 2024, is being retested. I think it is a very good time considering this particular stock. This has happened with me in PFC as well, where I considered taking a position in after 10-15 years of a channel was broken out, and it gave almost, I mean, it became almost 3x to 4x that particular stock. So I think consider this one. If not trading, try and investing into this. Then we have Trident. Just going to the daily weekly chart of it, I think Trident also is testing a good support line here. The stock is fundamentally good, although it has given a very good move in past, but now the stock seems to be ready to give another run from here. So you can consider going long in Trident also. So these are the stocks that we have on our radar for the next week, and I would always say that if your trading style aligns with mine, then you can consider subscribing to this channel, so we can discuss things in comment boxes as well, and this way we'll learn some new things. So that's all for today. I'll see you in the next week. Have a happy week of trading ahead. Thank you so much.